Kung hanap mo ay malakas na performance, sobrang laking battery, plus smooth display, mukhang solid contender itong Tecno Pova Curve 2. Unang mapapansin mo dito, yung 6.78-inch AMOLED display. Malinaw, vibrant at swak sa movies at gaming. Tapos may 144Hz refresh rate, kaya sobrang smooth na scrolling at gameplay. Dagdag pa yung 4500 nits peak brightness, meaning kahit tirik ang araw, kita mo pa rin ang screen mo. Protected pa ng Corning Gorilla Glass 7i, kaya medyo panatag sa gasgas. Powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7100 6nm chipset, kaya okay ito for gaming at multitasking. Hindi siya flagship level pero for the price, malakas na to for everyday use at heavy apps. Paired pa with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, with 128 or 56GB internal storage, so hindi ka basta-basta maglalag. Sa likod, may 50MP main camera, decent for everyday shots, social media at casual photography. May kasama ring 2MP macro, though usual lang ito. Sa harap naman may 13MP selfie camera, sapat na for selfies at video calls. Both cameras kaya ng 1440p video, which is nice bonus sa ganitong presyo. Ito na siguro ang pinaka-highlight, 8000 mAh battery. Grabe, pang 2 days usage to, kahit heavy user ka. May 45W fast charging at may bypass charging. Perfect sa gamers para hindi minute habang naglalaro. May IP64 rating, protected sa alikabok at splashes. Kompleto sa features, 5G, NFC, Air Blaster, Bluetooth 5.4, OTG, and USB Type-C. Latest na Android 16 with iOS 16. Ang estimated price nito ay 18,200 pesos. Pwede pa magbago pag official na sa Philippines. Kung gusto mo ng long battery life plus smooth display plus solid performance sa mid-range, sulit na sulit itong Tecno Pova Curve 2. Hindi man siya camera focus, pero overall balance at sulit for its price.